Hi, have you ever had an annoying lingering cough? Well, the most common causes of cough are postnasal drip from allergies, sinusitis, perhaps acid reflux, or asthma. In many cases, allergists can do tests on the very first initial visit, a breathing test, to figure out if you have asthma. Now, remember this, not all asthmatics have to have shortness of breath, wheezing, labored breathing, or chest tightness. It could just be the cough itself as a sole manifestation of asthma. So if you're having a lingering, annoying cough, talk to your allergy and asthma specialist to see if they can do some testing in the office, figure out the cause of that nasty, annoying cough, and how to better treat it. Thanks.